Leonida Katunge, Sisters of St. Joseph, Mombasa, and I work as a barrister, or what here in Kenya we call advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I have my presentation on the protection of the rights of children, the Church's appreciation of the laws that govern the rights of children in Kenya. And the reason behind my topic is because working with children as an advocate, I've realized that there's a continued misunderstanding when it comes to how the church should act when it comes to the protection of the rights of children. In Kenya, we have so many laws in place, which laws have been borrowed from the international laws. Like we have the Constitution of Kenya, speaking about the protection of the rights of children. We have the Sexual Offences Act, also calling for the protection of the rights of children when it comes to sexual abuses. We have also the Children's Act, which gives an enumeration of the rights of children that should be protected by the state. It's unfortunate that we are realizing there is a gap that exists in the church's role when it comes to the protection of the rights of children. And I've realized that the church does not have a law that is specific, that speaks to the protection of the rights of children, more so giving an understanding of how the perpetrators or the abusers should be treated, should be handled when it comes to the cases of abuse. So I want to see how the church can collaborate with the state, more so in the application of the laws in place, given that the 1983 Code of Canon Law has a very clear understanding of the fact that the civil laws that are not repugnant or contrary to the canon law can always be employed so that those laws that are found in the state laws can be embraced by the church in case of a need, if at all they can be applied. So it's by this, then, I want to get to understand how the church can borrow from the existing state laws, if at all she has to uphold or to continue the protection of the rights of children, given that, as we speak today, the situation is so wanting because we've had cases where the church, that is supposed to be the mother, the father, the sister, the brother of the children, is actually playing the role of a perpetrator, which is wrong, and this has to be addressed as a matter of urgency. So we want to see to a situation where the rights of children are upheld, protected, and the church being on the front line in the upholding of these rights, and of course, coming to the knowledge and understanding of the existing state laws so that she may apply them in the protection of the rights of children. And if this happens, of course, as Jesus said, let all the little ones or children come to me, then the children will feel at home with the church because the church will be there to protect the children. Thank you.